The Lexus ES330, produced from 2004 to 2006, uses the Toyota U151E 5-speed automatic transmission. This electronically controlled transmission is designed for front-wheel drive applications and is known for several common problems that typically emerge as the vehicle ages. The most common problem with the U151E transmission is slipping, which typically occurs between 80,000 and 120,000 miles. This manifests as delayed engagement when shifting from park to drive, RPM flare during acceleration without corresponding speed increase, and often a burning transmission fluid odor. Harsh shifting is another common issue, particularly noticeable during second to third gear transitions. This problem typically indicates worn clutch packs or faulty solenoid valves, resulting in abrupt or jerky gear changes that can be felt throughout the vehicle. Torque converter problems typically manifest as shuddering during light acceleration at highway speeds, particularly between 45 and 55 miles per hour. This is usually caused by lockup clutch failure within the torque converter, which can lead to overheating and reduced fuel economy. Solenoid valve body problems affect the electronic control of shift timing. When these solenoids fail, the transmission may exhibit erratic shifting patterns, enter limp mode for protection, and trigger the check engine light with specific transmission-related diagnostic codes. Warning signs progress from early indicators like delayed engagement and fluid discoloration to advanced symptoms, including complete gear loss and fail-safe mode activation. The transmission fluid color chart shows how fluid condition deteriorates over time, providing a visual indicator of transmission health. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial for preventing more serious and expensive transmission problems. Regular monitoring of these warning signs can help identify issues before they lead to complete transmission failure. When your Lexus ES330 transmission shows problems, there are several immediate repair solutions available. The first step is always a complete transmission fluid service. The transmission filter and oil pump system work together to maintain proper fluid flow. This cutaway view shows how clean fluid is drawn through the filter assembly to lubricate all transmission components. Valve body reconditioning is another critical immediate solution. This involves disassembling the valve body, cleaning all components, and replacing solenoids with updated units for improved reliability. Software updates are also essential. ECU reprogramming with the latest transmission control software and adaptive learning resets help optimize shift patterns and timing for better performance. For severe transmission problems, a complete rebuild may be necessary. This comprehensive process involves full disassembly, component inspection, and replacement of all worn parts. The torque converter is a critical component that often requires attention during a rebuild. This diagram shows the pump, turbine, and stator assembly with oil flow patterns that enable smooth power transfer. Prevention is always better than repair. Proper preventive maintenance can significantly extend your transmission's life and prevent costly failures. Installing a transmission cooler system is highly recommended for high-mileage vehicles. This diagram shows how the cooler connects to the transmission system to maintain optimal operating temperatures. Understanding repair costs helps you make informed decisions. Here are the current market rates for various transmission services and repairs as of 2024 and 2025. Early intervention and proper maintenance are key to avoiding expensive repairs. Regular service and prompt attention to symptoms can save thousands of dollars in transmission costs.